The markets have not taken Trump's tariffs well. It has led to a global market turmoil and has wiped out trillions of major companies' values and has raised fear of recession in the US. As per a report, the new tariffs have shaken the global trading system. This has caused a $2.5 trillion loss in the US markets. The market sell-off in the US compared to the crashes during COVID pandemic and 2008 financial crisis, and this hit worldwide. Nasdaq plunged 5.97% while S&P 500 and Dow fell 4.8% and 3.9% each. By midday, the Apple and Nvidia shares lost $470 billion in value. JP Morgan says that there will be blood. It now sees a 60% chance of global recession in 2025, up from 40%. Goldman Sachs echoed the concerns, raising its recession probability from 20% to 35% in the next 12 months. The firm also slashed its 2025 GDP forecast to just 1% and projected a rise in unemployment rate to 4.5%. Consumer confidence in the US has also come down, with University of Michigan's sentiment survey showing that the highest percentage of Americans are now expecting unemployment to rise since Great Recession. Moody's has also raised its recession forecast from 15% to 40% as trade war is intensifying. Retaliatory tariffs will come from the other countries on 25% auto tariffs as per Moody's. Now, despite warnings, Trump remains adamant about his tariff strategy. White House has projected that tariffs will generate up to $600 billion in revenue per year. It is a claim met with skepticism by the economists who argue that consumers and businesses will bear the brunt. During his speech, Trump also said that those trade projections are going to be wrong. But Goldman Sachs now expects core inflation to hit 3.5% by the end of 2025. Higher tariffs is expected to drive up consumer prices, it says. Federal Reserve is facing mounting economic pressures and now is expected to cut interest rates 3 times this year to cushion the impact. However, rate cuts might not be enough to offset this damage, because the clock is ticking for the US, and with the debt it has, a prediction of recession is what is on the cards for all of us. But will Trump's strategy work? Time will tell.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.